Today's DUIWise.com expert answer addresses the question, can you be a teacher with a DUI? If you have a DUI or DWI conviction on your record and you want to become a teacher, you might have a few difficulties ahead of you. A lot of employers nowadays require background checks and other documentation that are likely to reveal these past convictions. Unlike 20 years ago when background checks were relatively new, it's no longer as easy as it once was to sweep things like this underneath the rug. Modern technology puts records of this type only a few mouse clicks away for pretty much anybody. So having a criminal record of any kind is a disadvantage in the teaching profession. A DUI conviction or even pleading no contest to the charge might have serious consequences for those that want to be or are currently in the education field. Such a conviction can negatively affect both potential certification and employment for teachers. It depends on how the Board of Education for your state and school districts have their policies written as well. Because every state has a different set of standards for its teachers. Some are more rigid than others. For example, Washington is a state which actually allows for a single DUI conviction if it took place more than 5 years ago, so that one's a little more lenient. But then there's states like Oklahoma that require a current, clear criminal history record search, which might prove to be an obstacle depending on the circumstances. So for those that are intending to teach, especially those that want to teach in the public school system, the best way to handle the issue is to avoid a conviction altogether. And to do this, it's really important that you hire a local attorney that specializes in DUI cases and have them represent your interests in the courtroom. Your lawyer should be well versed both in the legal matters related to the charge and also in how the outcome of the case will govern your future career choices and options. An experienced attorney may be able to get the charges reduced or otherwise arrange for a plea bargain that'll improve your outlook in terms of being able to teach within your state. So we hope you found this information helpful. If you've been charged with a drunk driving related crime, it's very important to explore your legal options, and you need to do it now. DUI charges can be beat. Find out if you have a case by getting a free case review from a local DUI defense lawyer now. Visit DUIWise.com/help today. We help make the DUI process easier.